Good morning all. Welcome to Exam Notes 365. Today we will discuss about the important current affairs on 14 January 2022. Let's start. Makar Sankranti is observed on January 14. On January 14 every year we celebrate Makar Sankranti. It is the only Indian festival celebrated on a fixed calendric day of the solar calendar. All other Indian festivals are celebrated as per the lunar calendar, which make the days of the celebration on the solar calendar vary every year. T.N. Narayana passed away recently. He was an educationist. He was a Padma Shri awardee and the former member of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. Adani Group signed Memorandum of Understanding with South Korean steelmaker POSCO to set up an integrated steel plant in Gujarat. Korean steelmaker and Gujarat-based Adani Group have joined hands to forge a $5 billion partnership to explore setting up a greenfield integrated steel mill and other businesses in Gujarat's Mundra. Who is the chairman of Adani Group? Gautam Adani. Who is the CEO of POSCO? Chube Jongwoo. Where is the capital of Gujarat? Gandhinagar. Chief Minister of Gujarat, Bhupendra Bhai Patel. And who is the governor of Gujarat? Acharya Devvrat. Let's move to the next question. Which country has been lifted the Twitter ban recently? Nigeria. The Nigerian government suspended Twitter after it removed a post from President Muhammad Buhari that threatened to publish regional secessionists. Where is the capital of Nigeria? Abuja. The president is Muhammad Buhari. The currency of Nigeria is Naira. Let's talk about Twitter. Who is the CEO of Twitter? Parag Agrawal. And where is the headquarters of Twitter? San Francisco, California. Who has received the 12th Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar Award 2022? Harshali Malhotra. The government of Maharashtra organized the Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar National Award 2022 ceremony in the memory of Dr. Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar as part of the upcoming 73rd Republic Day. Name the financial services that had announced partnership with NSDL Payment Bank to offer integrated trading and saving bank account to investors. The answer is Marwadi Financial Services. There are two depositories in India, CDSL and NSDL. CDSL is short for Central Depository Securities Limited, while NSDL is short for National Securities Depository Limited. Both CDSL and NSDL are depositories stationed by the Indian government to hold multiple forms of securities like stocks, bonds, ETFs, and more as electronic copies. Where is the headquarters of NSDL? Mumbai. MD and CEO of NSDL, Padmada Chundru. S. Rameshan passed away recently. He was a poet. A noted presence on the literacy scene in Kochi, he had worked in various capacities at the Progressive Art and Literature Society. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank? Litera Davis. RBI approved the appointment of Litera Davis as MD and CEO of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Small finance banks are a type of niche banks in India. What is the aim of Small Finance Bank? The aim of the Small Finance Bank is financial inclusion by providing basic banking services to the unorganized sector, micro, small and medium enterprises, small and marginal farmers, and small business units. Ujjivan Bank founded on 1st February 2017 and the headquarters is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Which e-commerce provider has acquired electronic e-commerce firm Yantra? The answer is Flipkart. Flipkart Group has acquired electronic e-commerce firm Yantra to enhance its after-sale offerings for its consumers in the smartphone segment. Yantra repairs and sells refurbished consumer tech products such as smartphones and laptops. With this acquisition, Flipkart will provide a comprehensive service ecosystem to its customers that takes care of the entire life cycle of smartphones. Flipkart is founded on October 2007. Where is the headquarters of Flipkart? Bengaluru, Karnataka. CEO of Flipkart, Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. To get more current affairs videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your feedbacks in the comment section. See you tomorrow. Bye.